kitties, it's playtime. Today we have Puppy in my pocket and Kitty in my pocket. But we have to ring them up first with the Disney Princess cash register. Kitty, kitty. Blind bag number 1. Blind bag number 2. And blind bag number 3. And here we have the clip and go of Puppy in my pocket. It's Puppies on Clip-On Pouch. Let's string it up. Now we can open it up. Which one do you like? Puppy in my pocket or Kitty in my pocket? Me, I like both. And we're gonna open our first blind bag, Kitty in my pocket. Our first kitty cat. Her color looks like light yellow, and she has pink color. And let's proceed to our second kitty cat. Oh, sleep tight kitty cat. It's a sleeping kitty cat in her purple bed. Oh, cute, cute. Our third blind bag. Oh, a white kitty cat with a pink flower. And look at the nose, it's pink. So far, this is my most favorite kitty cat because she's very cute and she looks happy and she's white. And I didn't notice her ears. It's light blue inside. She's so cute. Her eyes are gray. This one and this one is my favorite. And time to open our Puppies and Clip-On Pouch. The collector's checklist with all the list of Puppies in my pocket or Puppy in my pocket series 1 to 4. So let's move on and start with this cute puppy, gray and white. She has a pink bow. And her name is Maggie. Maggie is a Maltese. Our next puppy. And I love this. She has a red bow. Look how cute. And this is Brittany. She's a Shih Tzu. Her color is all white and she has a little touch of golden yellow on her face, which is very pretty. And I think this is Joey. I'll check again. Yeah, it is Joey. The Pomeranian Joey. Joey looks chubby. Side view, he looks like a lion, right? Just a little. And we still have more puppies. 2 puppies left. This fella right here loves ball. And his name is Puppy. Puppy is a Jack Russell Terrier. His color is all white. His ears and half of his head is brown. And he's playing green ball. On to our last puppy. And she's inside a pouch. I got this one already. I forgot her name. I love the pouch. It's purple. It's a nice clip-on that you can clip on your backpack. It's a sheepdog and her name is Bailey. She's an Old English sheepdog. Here's all the pets that we got today. Bailey, a yellow kitty cat, and we got my favorite kitty cat. We got Puppy. Let's move them closer so you can see it again. Oh, this one really looks so sweet. We got Joey, Brittany, oh, and the sleeping kitty cat. She's still sleeping. Wake up! And Maggie. And up here in front. I know this pouch is from the puppy in my pocket, but I got to put my favorite, this white kitty cat. Isn't that so cute? Or so she can have her good sleep. The sleeping kitty cat. It's perfect. Matches the purple. She's sleeping tight. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for shopping.
Have a good one.